हाँ देसियो कैसे हो? तो टुडे लेट अस टेक अ लुक ये कोविड का क्या चक्कर है और इंडिया में हाउ हम ये इन्फेक्शन कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो द मेन थिंग इट्स अ वायरल इन्फेक्शन विद द सार्स CoV-2 वायरस. ये पर्सन से पर्सन को स्प्रेड हो जाएगा. तो इसके लिए लेट अस लुक एट सम ऑफ द स्ट्रैटेजीज. तो पहले आई वांट यू टू स्टे होम. घर में रहो, घर से बिजनेस करो, घर से एजुकेशन करो, घर से काम करो. इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग राशन, जस्ट ईट एंड स्लीप एट होम. दिस इज़ योर फर्स्ट एंड प्राइमरी सेफ्टी मिशन फॉर यू एंड योर फैमिली. सेकंड, बाहर गए तो वेयर अ मास्क और अ फेस शील्ड एंड और बोथ. ये आपको बहुत प्रोटेक्ट करेगा. इवन व्हेन यू वेयर अ मास्क एंड फेस शील्ड, स्टे अवे फ्रॉम पीपल, स्टे अवे फ्रॉम क्राउड्स. तो बहुत पीपल से उधर नहीं रहने का है. ओके, एक्सलेंट. उसके बाद में लेट अस गो टू व्हाट यू वांट टू डू डेली. तो पहले यूज अ हैंड सैनिटाइजर लाइक दिस. कैरी वन विथ यू. एक गैलन भी खरीद के घर में रख लो. यू वांट टू यूज हैंड सैनिटाइजर लिबरली. दिस शुड बी अ WHO अप्रूव्ड 80% एथेनॉल फार्मूला. तो ये आप हैंड सैनिटाइज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज एथेनॉल सॉल्यूशन टू सैनिटाइज ऑल द सर्फेसेस इन योर हाउस. ये ठीक OR जैसा रहेगा एंड यू विल बी वेरी सेफ. ओके. थर्ड, 1.8% ब्लीच सॉल्यूशन ऐसे रहेगा. Get a sprayer and you can sanitize all the surfaces around you. 1.8% bleach solution or 80% ethanol sanitizer solution. तो इससे बहुत फ़ायदा होगा. तो mainly these will take out a lot of viruses and bacteria on the surfaces around us. अपने को safe रखते हैं. Okay, got it? Excellent. Third thing, UVC, ultraviolet C, is very good for disinfection. It will kill 99.99% of harmful viruses and bacteria. So UVC box, UVC blade, UVC room unit, it will disinfect the air and all the surfaces too. You can use it in your house. Use the proper protective gear while doing so. So hand sanitizer 80% ethanol, 1.8% bleach solution or UVC machines, these will help you a lot. They will save your life. Okay, so what do we do to end corona in India in 3 to 6 months? तो पहले the name of the game is prevention. Stay away from people, stay away from crowds, use a mask and face shield, use hand sanitizer, use environmental sanitizer, use UVC machines. है ना? ठीक है, got it? Spend money on yourself or you lose everything you have including your life. So very simple, get your money and use it for yourself. Nobody will take care of you. You have to take care of yourself and your family. Okay? तो इसके बाद में फर्स्ट थिंग इज प्रोटेक्शन. स्टे अवे फ्रॉम पीपल, ट्राई नॉट टू गेट कोविड. तो कुछ सर्कमस्टांसेस में लेट अस से यू टेस्ट कोविड पॉजिटिव और यू गॉट कोविड. इसमें लेट्स क्लासिफाई इनटू माइल्ड, मॉडरेट एंड सिवियर. माइल्ड इन्फेक्शंस, you don't need to go to the hospital. You can stay at home. Okay. Favipiravir or Clevira and other antiviral regimens are there. You most probably don't need oxygen, but go check with your doctor. Okay. So moderate infections, COVID infections में you might need favipiravir and or you might need favipiravir. You might need Clevira or other antiviral medications. You may need oxygen, but maybe you can use a home oxygen concentrator. Always check with your doctor before doing your treatment regimen. Okay. Third, severe cases ko they have to be in the hospital, but this is only around 5% or little more of the population. Let us say 5 to 15% that needs to go to a hospital or get in hospital or monitored care. इस केसेस में then is only remdesivir needed. Remdesivir is not needed for the vast majority of patients. Okay, तो remdesivir का झंझट lose it. Also, unless your doctor prescribes it and he sticks to the correct clinical protocols, don't take steroids. Only if you absolutely need it, go to your doctor and he will direct your treatment. Always get the best treatment protocols in the world. Okay, तो इसमें it's very simple. This is a viral infection. We can take care of viral infections. We can prevent viral infections. So to keep yourself and your family safe from COVID, these are very simple things that you have to do. Okay, so पहले these are what you are gonna do. Stay home, stay away from people, use personal and environmental sanitation, keep your house as clean as an operating room. Okay, just like when you go to hospital and everything is very clean, you want your home to be very clean too. Not just for this, but it will get rid of a lot of other diseases. So most mild and moderate patients don't need remdesivir. Actually, remdesivir is only for severe COVID patients. So lose the remdesivir jhanjat. Okay, now in addition to all this, there are certain things that are going on that will help also. More hospitals need to come up. We need about 5,000 more hospitals in India. We need more medical infrastructure, which is as regards clinical facilities, oxygen facilities, oxygen concentrators, and so on. These are already being set up, but spend money on your health, spend money on your health care, be there for your family, keep yourself and your family safe. We also need to train millions of nurses and care workers. That can easily be done. I think we are all working on it. But from now on, we need to ramp up the medical infrastructure in our country. We need to ramp up our own knowledge levels. There is only one person who is responsible for your health, you. There is only one person responsible for you and your family's health, you. So better get educated, better get smart, and let's get moving. तो ये कोविड का चक्कर, it is not scary. We can easily take care of it. We can easily get rid of this COVID janjat in the next 3 to 6 months. That is, by the end of 2021, we can easily get rid of this COVID mamla. There is no need for panic. There is no need for julus. There is no need for hysteria. There is no need for great fear. This is a very simple infection. We need to take care of it. We have to take care of it. So we all have to play our part. Or let me show you this book. It's called Pandemic X. Pandemic X. It's available on Amazon in over 100 countries. This will give you all the information you need to keep yourself safe. It will train you well. Remember, you are the main person for you and your family. So better spend money, learn whatever you can, and keep yourself and your family safe. तो ये book देख रहे हो ना? This is on Amazon. The ebook price is only $299 in India. The book price, I believe, is around 1,200 rupees. This will be one of the best investments you have made. So please get smart, get education on COVID. Please follow the protocols. Keep yourself and your family and nation safe. We will all get rid of this infection very fast. Please play your role, and I hope you keep yourself and your family safe. Vande Mataram.